Howdy everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Dome Life and I am Cody, and you've got to check this out.
Y'all have to check this out. Wow. So this is the Joolca ENSUITE Double shower tent. If you have the Joolca hot water portable system, it works perfectly with that, as in the connections and everything. We did a short tutorial on our hot water system and it'll be listed in the description below if you want to check that out. But today I want to show you the shower tent. On the outside, there is a spot to hang a dirty laundry bag. So it's pretty big inside here. You can fit a couple of days worth of clothes inside here. So I thought that was pretty cool. And then also, if you want to hang your towel on the outside to dry, there's a place to do that as well. So if you see on the inside of our tent, we already have the hot water hoses attached to the shower, in which I'll show you that in just a moment. But if you can look on the outside, we have the hot water system over here along with the sink, so you can connect everything together. And I believe we showed you that in the other vlog. It has the splicer, so you can hook up everything at the same time. So let's go ahead and go inside. The reason we got the double tent, shower tent, is because you have room to shower and you can set all of your things over here to keep them dry. Maybe your lotions, whatever you put on after the shower. You can hang your towel in here or your clean clothes as well. So it kind of gives you a double space for like a dry area and a wet area. There is a door. So of course there's a door to close on the outside, but there's a door to close here if someone else is showering, or if you're showering and you don't want to get your towel and your clothes wet. It does zip all the way around, and so you have a partition to divide it. Also on the inside here is some ventilation. So we've got a ventilation up top here and a window here as well. And then let's go into the shower area. So as we're walking into the shower area, I almost forgot about this little handy compartment here. You could hang anything here. Maybe if you want to put your dry clothes there, you could do that. Or if you want to put your dirty clothes there, and that way when you're done, you can walk out and throw them in the bag there. So we step into the shower part. We have the shower head already hooked up here. So it has these nice little clips that you can clip it all around, and you have the hose. The clips run all the way down the side of the tent. Here you have your on-off switch, so it's easily accessible like in your shower at home.
Originally though, the shower head is attached here, so you have to disconnect this and then add an extender on it to get it to go up there, but this comes with it in the Nomad Kit.
So if you see all the way down, you have these clips, and then this little hole here in the corner of the tent is where we ran the hose through. There's also one on the other side if you decide to use that side as well, and clips that run all the way up the top of the tent. On this side of the tent, we also have a window, some more ventilation. We have another ventilation over here up top, which we have on the opposite side. There's a little door here. I'm not really sure what this is. I'm thinking this is like, you know, I can let Cody know if he needs to turn the heat up or down, maybe. I'm not sure. That's what I would use it for.
It's a place for me to quickly hand her stuff, and she just throws her arm out and says, yo, hey, I need something, and then I hand it there.
On the other side, there's another window. So there's a lot of ventilation. If it's hot outside and you're just wanting some privacy, you have a lot of ventilation in here. On the floor, this is a really cool part. The floor is mesh all the way around, and it's the same on the dry side as well. I'm gonna call this the dry side. But if you have too much water build up in the center and it's not draining, you could just lift it up here and it's gonna run out the sides. We also have some little storage pockets here if you want to put your shampoo, your soaps, whatever you're going to use to shower with. There's some special compartments here. And then if you wanted to move this compartment, you can take it off and move it. There's hooks for you to place it in there as well. Or if you just want to leave it here, I like it here so I can put my lotions and stuff like that. So this is amazing. Love it. Well worth it. If you have the hot water system and you're looking for some privacy, I would totally get it. They do have a single shower if you want to do that other than the double, but for us, for 2 people, I think the double just works out great.
The Joolca shower comes in a 3-foot bag, great for storing. We're able to fit it in our vehicle, and you know we already carry a whole lot of stuff in there. We wanted to get this last shot just to show you how tall this is. I am 6 foot even, flat, and that's how much room there still is compared to the tent height. This is crazy that they were able to make it this sturdy and that tall.
All right, guys, that was our review on the Joolca ENSUITE Double Shower Tent, and we love it. You should get one.
However, if you like this video, make sure you give us a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and
Subscribe.
we will catch you on the other.